Quick product highlight here of the TS4961 7-piece ball joint set for Ford and Dodge Dana 50s and 60s. This kit makes it as easy as possible to service the ball joints on the front end of your Ford or Dodge 3/4 ton or 1 ton pickup. This kit is specifically designed for 1994 to 1999 Dodge Dana 60 front axles and 1980 to 2004 Ford Dana 50 and 1992 to 2004 Ford Dana 60 front axles. All the adapters included in this kit are 100% USA made. If this kit doesn't have exactly what you need, we offer several different types for lots of different types of axles. We also offer lots of different ball joint kits from Dana, OEM, and Dynatrack. Remember to get it right the first time at TorqueKing.com.